And welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you'll follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our first paycheck in November and going over our second paycheck. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. Guys, disclaimer, I'm still letting my nails heal, so don't come for me in the comments. I am working on it. They're very brittle and I don't want to put any nails on until they've healed. So with that being said, let's get started and let's see how we did. In our budget from November the 1st through November the 7th, in our expense category, we budgeted $960 for a mortgage, $191.22 for our utilities, $142.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $48 for our gym fee, $14.40 for our Google LLC, $12.99 for Canva Pro, and $12.95 for Kindle Unlimited. That came up to a total of $1,382.55. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $570 for our sinking fund, $140 for our savings challenges, $100 for our backup funds, $40 for our extra backup money, and $75 for our rollover. That came up to a total of $1,460. And in our actual category, we spent $475 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $55. $575 in our sinking funds, $140 in our savings challenges, $100 in our backup funds, $40 in our extra backup money, and $75 in our rollover. That came up to a total of $1,405, which was a difference of $55. Our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $1,382.55, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the savings challenges of $150, minus our backup funds of $100, minus our rollover of $75, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $18.40. Our actual category, our income was $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $1,382.55, minus the cash envelopes of $475, which was a difference of $55, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus our savings challenges of $140, minus our backup funds of $100, minus our rollover of $75, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $73.90, which was a total savings of $55. In our budget from November the 8th through the 14th, in our expense category, we budgeted $196.51 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $75 for our replacement money, $29.75 for Terminex, $24.83 for Netflix, $16.15 for Audible, and $15.25 for YouTube Premium. That came up to a total of $428.89. We budgeted $510 for our cash envelopes, $375 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $50 for our backup funds, $50 for our rollover, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,105. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expense of $428.89, minus the cash envelopes of $510, minus the sinking funds of $375, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $50, minus the rollover of $50, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $38.46. So fam, that is all for this portion of our video. We will be moving on to our cash envelope. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.